Welcome friends. The first topic of our course is Introduction to Mangroves. So let me introduce mangroves first. Mangrove forests are found at the tropical and subtropical latitudes, primarily along sheltered shoreline where generally freshwater mixes with ocean, bays, estuaries, lagoons or river. Mangroves are a group of trees and shrubs that live in the coastal intertidal zone. There are about 80 different species of mangrove trees. All of these grow in areas with low oxygen soil where slow moving waters allow fine sediments to accumulate. Mangroves refers to the coastal trees or shrubs that are adapted to estuarine or even saline environment. Mangroves mainly found at the boundary of terrestrial, marine and freshwater ecosystems. The environment between these systems in harsh being characterized by shifting sediments, regular tidal inundation as well as variable and often high salinities. Mangroves are often a huge community of trees and shrubs of different species. Consequently, mangrove plants have unique adaptations which have allowed them to thrive and become the architect of remarkable forest ecosystems. See this picture. Mangroves are the plants that grow at interface between soil and water. The word mangrove is derived from Portuguese word mangue. Mangue means into the sea. It is believed that these mangroves evolved around 114 million years back. If we see the definition of mangrove, mangroves are the plants which grow between the higher tidal level and the same level or higher than the sea level. These are also known as mangal, which is used for trees and shrubs that found in shallow, sandy or muddy areas. Actually, this word is derived from Portuguese word mangue means tree and grove means stand of trees. So mangroves are actually halophytes. Halophytes are the plants that complete their life cycle in a salty environment, may survive in seawater or even higher concentration of salt. The leaves in most of the halophytes are generally thick, entire and small size. The leaves are also glassy in their appearance. Mangrove forest or mangals are a type of intertidal wetland ecosystem. Intertidal ecosystem, that means it is an area along a shore that is exposed to air at low tide and submerged at high tide. These are estuarine ecosystems and are highly productive. They are important breeding grounds and nurseries for much economically important marine life. The term mangrove community, mangrove ecosystem, mangrove forest, mangrove swamp and mangal are used interchangeably to describe the entire mangrove community. Forest structure. It is a wetland ecosystem. So if we see the forest structure, mangrove forests are structurally simple as compared to rainforest and they are unusual among tropical forest ecosystem. They naturally have low plant diversity and high population density. This is a consequence of physiological restrictions of living in intertidal zone. In order to adapt to their ecological niche, several species have developed convergent adaptations in morphology, physiology and reproductive strategies. Although mangroves do not exhibit primitive plant characteristics, they are considered as plant. Most of the fossils were found along coastline of Southeast Asia and parts of the Mediterranean. Mangrove and people. Throughout the history, mangroves have been closely linked to human culture and civilizations. Mangroves have long been associated with human population as coastal communities rely on various ecosystem services that mangroves provide. Mangroves have attracted people on every continent where they occur, and communities have formed around the services which these ecosystems offer. In some regions of the world, people have depended upon the goods and services that mangroves provide for thousands of years. However, human degradation and destruction of mangroves is common despite and because of our reliance on them as a valuable ecosystem. If we see the evolutionary history, mangroves have diverse evolutionary origin. They are considered relatively old organisms. Many mangrove species first appear in the fossil record dating back around 16 million years ago. So it is believed that terrestrial and freshwater plants adapted to saltwater environment and developed into the central flora of many ecosystems. Fossils of mangrove pollen have been found beneath marine foraminifera in the lower deposit of estuarine areas. These findings support the theory that mangroves evolved from a non-marine to estuarine habitat. Historical periods of extreme climate conditions created an unfavorable environment for mangrove growth. Evolutionary history. As the continent plate drift apart and land masses separated, coastlines increased in size, providing new areas for species to establish. This photo depicts Gondwana land. Now it is known as Gondwana, an ancient landmass which was comprised of what present day South America, Africa, Arabia, India, Australia and Antarctica. Along with Laurasia, it was formed by the breakup of the subcontinent Pangaea over 180 million years. Actually, botanists believe that mangroves originated in Southeast Asia, but ocean currents have since dispersed them to India, Africa, Australia and the America. This is the summary. So, the word mangrove refers to the several species of plants which inhabit the intertidal zone of tropical and subtropical coastlines. Mangrove and human communities have a long history of association. In some regions of the world, people have depended upon the goods and services that mangroves provide for thousands of years. Mangroves themselves are extremely old organisms, arriving shortly after the appearance of flowering plants around 60 million years ago. It is likely that they first evolved from terrestrial and freshwater plants during the breakup of Gondwana in what is now Southeast Asia and parts of the Mediterranean. Thank you.